Want to keep your account secure with a fresh PIN? Here's how to change it fast. First, open your Robinhood app and log into your account. Now, tap on the account icon at the top right. Here you can see Settings button. Tap on it to head to Settings. Then you can see Security and Privacy section here. Here you can see Update PIN or Update Password option. Tap on it and enter your current password. Then set a new one. Make sure it's something you'll remember but not too obvious like 1234 or your birth year. If you forgot your current PIN, tap Forgot PIN to verify your identity and reset it through your phone's security. Do you use a PIN or rely on Face ID biometrics instead? Drop your setup in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.